Hoover to lay to rest. A young man named Goose. He was traveling along the highways and byways and had a segway. But Lord, I just have so many good people here today. Lord, look at them. They all, oh, look at them. Oh, the people. Oh, Fifi, the hairstylist, please. Come on, Fifi. Come tell us how you feel about Goose. Look at him. Oh my goodness. Take your time, Lord. He is dead, right?
Oh, honey, I've had so much practice with that. It's fine. I can move that if I need to. I remember Goose when he came into my shop. I don't even know why he was there because he had no hair. He wanted me to cut around his little hat. It said, "Duck," but his name was Goose. And I'm like, how do you lose at that game? And when he tipped over on that segway, a part of me tipped over.
Oscar on Fifi.
It was a dark morning. Back in July. My dear friend Goose couldn't even afford a car. Never even had it there. And I remember as he was going down that road and he was screaming at the joggers. You remember what you were screaming? You said, "Get the hell out of my way!" And then the joggers threw your segway and it broke into 1,000 pieces. And we will never be together again. Why? Why? Goose!
Oscar off.
So I think I might trade in my segway. That's all I have. Thank you very much, sister.
Praise God, Fifi. There is room for everybody in heaven, honey. Don't you worry about it.